So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to solve one of the good problem, search in rotated sorted array. So let's solve. So there is an integer array nums sorted in ascending order with distinct value. Prior to being passed to your function, nums is possibly rotated at an unknown pivot index k, such that resulting array is k is in between 1 to num length of the array, and it is 0 base index. For example, there is array is given and it is rotated at a pivot index 3 and become this. So given the array norms, after the possible rotation and an integer target, return the index of a target if it is in nums, or if the target is not in a nums, return a -1. You must write an algorithm with a big of log and runtime complexity. Perfect. We have given an input and target. If target is present, you have to return the index of the target. If it target not present, like 3 not present in this, return a -1. Perfect. So in this question, I'm going to use a binary search algorithm, but that in a some modified way, because here rotated here array is not sorted completely, because we can say that some part are sorted and some part are rotated, right? So we need to modify, because as we know that binary search only is in a sorted array, but here array is in rotated form, right, at some index. So let's solve this problem. So I have initialized variable left and right. Right is equal to the nums of length -1. As you know that how we need two pointer to solve this. Left is less than right. Condition is the same as as you apply in the normal binary search. We have count the minimum index. It is the mid of the for searching. We have count here the mid index for searching. Either we will search for the left side or for the right side. If nums mid is equal to the target, if you find the target, return an index. If nums left and here we are checking that if nums is left is less than the nums of mid, right? We are just checking the if the left side is sorted or not. If left side is sorted, and definitely left is should be less than the nums of mid, right? It's the mid of the array. If it is sorted, then I will check. I am checking that target is less than this condition or not. So if a target is greater than nums of left and less than the nums of mid, means that target is in left side, right? And what I have done is that right is equal to mid -1. So we not need to check array from the starting to last. We need only check from the starting to mid, right? And the last index will be the mid -1. If left is sorted but we don't find any target, or target is not less than nums of mid, then what I have done left, I have again then I will search for the right side. Then I have started searching for them from the right side, right? Starting will be the mid +1, that is the middle of the array. Else, if if the left side is not sorted, then I will check for the, then definitely right side will be the sorted, right? Then what you have done, if the right side target is greater than nums of mid, that is middle of the array, and less than nums of right, that is last index of the array, then if it is true, then I will, what I have done is that I made a left equal to mid +1, so that I saw then it is confirming that target is in the right side, and I should check for the right side, and I have started from the mid +1. Else, if a target no to right side, right, then I will again search for the left side, right? And if I found the target, I'll return this mid, right? Otherwise I will return a -1. So perfect. I think this is the solution that we need. And if you like the videos, so if you understand the solution, then like the video, subscribe the channel, and share with your friends. Thank you.